So what does the bartender do when he gets bored? We start experimenting with different tools. We got the jigsaw. We got an electric power tool here. And we got the skill saw. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try out each and every tool on this palm tree here to see which one works better. Cast your vote now, let me know which one it is. Stay tuned. First, let's try the skill saw. We're gonna go ahead with the skill saw and see what happens here. See if this works. We gotta get some power first before we get in there. There we go. And get some of this juice in there. That was an epic fail. Epic fail, just can't get right in there. So next we're gonna try this little jigsaw here. See what this happens. What happens with this jigsaw? Let's give that a shot right quick. I think the jigsaw's probably gonna work better, just because it has a more blade to cut. But let's find out. We still got some of these Christmas lights from last year's Christmas. Never pulled them down, but that's all right. We'll do that too. Seems to be working, but not the way I wanted to. Let's try one more to get a little bit more room in here to work. Well, it cuts in very minimal effort, but it's not what I'm looking for. We're gonna go ahead and try this. I forget what these are called here. Sawzall. See how that goes. Got a new blade on it, specifically for wood, so hopefully it makes it happen. You got Sushiro on there trying, wondering what's going on out here. Let's see this Sawzall here. A little bit more likely to have to take the rest of get in my eyes. Like butter, like butter. I sort of like that. Now we're gonna go back to the old school hand tool here. Let's see how these guys do. Might have to put a little bit more oomph in it. It might be all right. Surprisingly, the old school hand tool does a better job. I felt it from day one. From right now. Let's check this out. Little effort. Wow. Old school hand tool defeats the power tools. So after about an hour of trimming this palm tree here, a bunch of the stuff that we got left over, sort of shaved down the tree with the machete. Old rubber handy dandy tool right there, went long ways. It don't look too bad though. A little crooked. Not bad for a first time. It's gonna be my first and it's gonna be my last.